Good evening. So today was actually a very interesting day for the dollar and for our dollar-led pairs, as this week kicked off with the ISM news. So with the ISM news, what ended up happening for the services news is that the dollar ended up continuing its run that it had towards the end of last week. And with the run that it had, it continued today as not only did ISM services PMI numbers for the month of January increase, but they increased above the consensus expectation. So the consensus expectation was 52, but the report was 53.4. And so with that, that's why we got this nice size pop here with the dollar. And again, if you see here, this yellow line right here is going to be where the week actually opened. And so we started off here at 103. 962. And so we made it up here past the resistance that we saw earlier as far as price being able to make it up here. So we made it past that. And so now what's happening is this consolidation. So the area that we called out was 104.25 holding. Because if 104.25 continues to hold, then this has continued move that it can make upward should it pull back to that quarter area, or if it consolidates right underneath this minor quarter level of 104,500, it will still make that continued move upward after consolidating around this range. So that is one of the nice things that has taken place for the dollar at this time. Again, the dollar right now is pushing highs that it hasn't seen yet this year. And it didn't even see these highs toward the end of last year. So with that, we are pushing highs that the dollar has not seen. So we will continue to watch this one as this trade continues to unfold. We also saw for the UC idea. This one did again make it above this area of past resistance, and so after making it through that area of resistance, it closed above for one of our 4 hour candles and then pulled back to this minor quarter level here of that 135 250. And so now it is consolidating in the same way that the dollar index is consolidating right underneath the minor quarter. This one is doing the exact same, getting ready and preparing for uh, price to continue to take off as it is above this major quarter level of 135. And for the UJ idea, again, that same continuation off of last week, nice consolidation. So right now, this one is prices spreading. So it's making new lows for the week, but also making new highs for the week as well. And so with that, price is exploring as price continues is exploring, then price will pick the direction. So, should we see this explode back up to that 104,500 area, we should see the UJ idea continue its trek upward as well as it is above that minor wild card area of 148,500. So this is going to be one that is going to be important to watch because now it has made it back above this area, this trend line that it had made it and drop below. It is also up for the week. It also has all of the support of those quarter levels underneath it, as well as its moving averages underneath it. And so this is going to be a strong idea, a trade idea to continue to the upside. And so we'll continue to watch this idea as we continue to watch the dollar index continue to trend up as it makes it above this minor wild card area here. So this minor wild card area is on watch for the dollar index. This price makes it above this price action makes it above. That will be a bullish breakout for us, and that it will be exactly what it is that we're expecting for the dollar index on this breakout. And for the rest of the week, there is no major news. There are other things that are going to be coming out, but no other major news being reported. And so that is going to be something that we can look forward to from just a technical perspective. So from a technical perspective, we are looking for continuation after we get this consolidation to finish. So again, this consolidation is taking place here. We we'll continue to watch this and monitor this consolidation, and looking for the explosion to come out of this consolidation and this continuation out of this consolidation. And so that's what we have for our dollar ideas for this week. And we'll continue to keep you guys updated as the week continues.